Installing a new door can dramatically enhance the curb appeal, security, and energy efficiency of your home. Whether you're upgrading to a sleek new front door or replacing a worn-out interior door, proper preparation is key to ensuring a smooth and successful installation process. If you live in Houston, where the weather can be unpredictable and the humidity is high, extra attention to detail is especially important. Follow these steps to prep your home for door installation in Houston and ensure a hassle-free experience. Clear the area around the door. One of the first things you'll need to do is clear the area where the door will be installed. Whether it's your front entry, back door, or any interior door, remove any furniture, rugs, or decor that might get in the way. This creates a safe and spacious environment for the installers to work and helps prevent any damage to your property. For exterior doors, it's also a good idea to remove any plants, decorative objects, or lighting fixtures around the door frame. This ensures that the installers have full access to the door area and can work quickly and efficiently. Secure pets and children. Installing a door often involves the use of power tools and heavy lifting, which can pose a safety risk for pets and young children. To keep everyone safe, it's best to secure your pets in another room or outside in the yard during the installation process. Similarly, if you have young children, it's a good idea to keep them in a different part of the house until the work is completed. This also ensures that the installers can work without distractions, and everyone remains safe throughout the process. Remove the old door, if necessary. If the installation involves replacing an old door, your door installation team may be able to handle the removal of the existing door. However, you can speed up the process by removing any hardware such as locks, handles, and hinges before the crew arrives. Additionally, if your old door is made of a material like wood or glass, you can carefully remove or cover it to avoid any damage during the installation of the new one. Removing the old door ahead of time can also prevent any potential delays and ensure that the new door fits properly within the frame. Check for door frame issues. It's important to ensure that the door frame is in good condition before the installation begins. Any issues with the frame, such as warping or rot, should be addressed beforehand, as they can affect the installation and performance of your new door. If you're replacing an exterior door, be particularly mindful of weather-related damage. Houston's humid climate can sometimes lead to wood rot or mold in door frames. If you notice any signs of damage, it's advisable to get these issues fixed before the new door is installed to ensure a proper seal and enhanced energy efficiency. Seal gaps and cracks. For exterior door installations, it's critical to ensure your home is properly sealed before the new door is installed. Houston's hot and humid climate can cause gaps in old doors, leading to drafts and energy loss. Before the installation, inspect the area around the door frame for any visible cracks or gaps that could allow air or water infiltration. If you're replacing an exterior door, your door installer may help with the weatherproofing process, but it's still a good idea to check for any potential issues beforehand to ensure the best results. Consider energy efficiency. With Houston's fluctuating temperatures, energy efficiency is crucial. Consider upgrading to an energy-efficient door that features proper insulation, weather stripping, and a high-quality seal. Some door materials are better at keeping the indoor temperature consistent, which can lead to significant savings on your energy bills. Before installation, ask your door installer about energy-efficient options that can suit your home's needs, whether you're installing a front, back, or patio door. Prepare for noise and dust. Door installation can be a noisy and dusty process, especially if old frames are being removed or adjustments are needed. If you're sensitive to noise or dust, consider covering nearby furniture and using a fan to help circulate the air. It's also a good idea to let your neighbors know that door installation is happening, especially if you live in a shared space like a townhouse or apartment. Plan for delivery and installation. And lastly, make sure that you're available on the day of installation to provide access to your home and any final instructions to the installers. Also, arrange for the delivery of the new door ahead of time so that it's ready when the installation team arrives. In some cases, if the door is oversized, special handling may be required, so communication with the installation company is key. Conclusion: properly preparing your home for door installation in Houston will help ensure that the project goes smoothly and that your new door functions as it should for years to come. Whether you're enhancing your home's appearance or improving its energy efficiency, a little prep work can go a long way. Follow these steps to clear the area, address any frame issues, and choose the best door for your needs, and you'll be well on your way to enjoying your new door in no time.